Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing the spicy noodle challenge, but like a mukbang ASMR type thing. So I'm not gonna lie, I already took a little tasty taste just to see what it was gonna taste like, and it's hot. My mouth is still on fire, so I'm gonna try to eat the whole bowl. Here goes nothing. Here goes the first bite. First big bite. It's not that bad if you like just chew a little bit and then hurry up and swallow. Need a little sip of water. Okay, tip of my tongue is on fire. I don't really smell it. My eyes watering. Okay. It's the fact that people actually eat this on the regular. Like how? Okay, you wanna. Alright. Come on. Need some more water. Oh my goodness. My mouth's so hot, I don't know what to do with myself. You give me some bread? Oh, oh my goodness. I think I would just like have to hurry up and go like this. Okay. What's in this? Okay. Can y'all hear it? Woo. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I feel like it's just getting hotter and hotter. But the birthday collection is my favorite collection because, you know, it's for my birthday. And it was like more so like fluffy kind of lashes that can go. My mouth is so hot, I don't know what to do with my hands. In my insides. But the birthday collection is my favorite because it was like more so like fluffy lashes. And you know, they are like those lashes that you put on. Oh my god, my mouth. Okay. It's better. They're like those lashes that you know that you put on when you go out and I wonder if y'all can hear the crunch. But you know, you put them on when you want to go out to the club and you need, or anything, you need more like your lashes to stand out type of thing. So like if it's your birthday, you know, you want that look to just come together, and like people take your pictures and they just stand out on your face. So yeah, shop, 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 shop. And I guess I could give you guys a little discount code, which is birthday girl. You know, you could save you some money. Alright guys, so you have 3 seconds to like this video. 3, I can't count. You got 3 seconds to like this video. 3, 2, 1, goodbye.